right, so this is the mini GoGo. You ready for this? It's
so
adorable.
cute.
I know.
I love it.
So we can smooth with it, we can volumize, we can direct. So I'm gonna just show you how to do it.
Okay.
I'll show you and I'll let you do too.
Perfect.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, so
I'm
we're
excited.
gonna go with smoothing first.
Okay.
So we're gonna add a little volume because your hair's
Okay.
fine, but like also smooth.
Yeah.
So when you're smoothing and want to add the volume, we're gonna brush up. So
okay.
we're literally just gonna try to get that root lifted a bit,
Okay.
but you can feel the tension I have.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I'm just gonna come through and kind of smooth it and smooth those ends. So this barrel is fusion technology.
Okay.
So it literally is giving it its shine and its body while we're brushing it through.
Ooh.
See?
Cute.
All right, so like in a second there, you notice how it just has body, but it's smooth, it's shiny.
Yep.
I'm gonna let you give it a try on that side.
Okay.
Great section, 2 inches by 1 inch wide.
Yeah.
Yep, over direct.
Okay.
Very much over direct, more than that. Like you really wanna, get into that root and lift it up.
There.
Yeah, so that's
Okay.
gonna give you a little lift there at the root.
Perfect.
Now, you wanna keep the tension because you're smoothing. You're just gonna come down. And at the end, you can like kind of curl that end back like I did on the other side.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Cute.
And see the body?
Oh yeah. See, I never get that.
Nice.
That's cute.
All right, so you can also, I know you like to flip your hair, right?
Yeah.
So all we're gonna do is take that end and go up. You've already
Okay.
smoothed it, right? And you added the volume.
Yep.
So we can go ahead and give it a flip or a flick, whichever way you like. But you just hold it in there for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then when you pull out.
Ooh. Ooh. See, I like the little flip.
I know.
That's my favorite.
So let's see you do that.
Okay.
Yeah, now roll it all the way. Like roll it up 2 rinds. Yeah, there you go. Hold there
Okay.
for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you're gonna come on out. Ooh, that's if you want a full flip.
Yeah.
All right, so Brooke, I'm gonna teach you now how to do these really great beachy kind of curls.
Okay.
with the round brush.
It's so cute.
I know. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take about kind of like a 1 inch, 2 inch section, both thick and round. Brush through it. The fusion technology starts working once you're brushing through. I like to brush through it twice.
Okay.
Wherever you want that wave to start, you're gonna spin a circle. Notice how the ends are still out.
Mm-hmm.
I like to hold this, it just makes it easier.
Okay.
And then I literally just come down and do a full pull out, do a full spin.
Okay.
But you're pulling down, not necessarily out.
Yep.
Full spin, like you're curling a ribbon. And you just go all the way until the hair runs out. But what's most important is that you're going nice and slow like I am.
Cute.
So you get that really great springy curl.
Yay. Okay.
Brush through a couple times.
I'm gonna brush through just a couple times. And
A full spin. So that other end gotta come all the way through. There you go.
okay. And I pull down.
Mm-hmm. And spin a whole circle. As long as you're coming down, it'll never get caught. Slow. Give it time to curl.
Ooh.
When I put it in, I did a full spin. Notice how this comes all the way around,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
And then when I held it, I came down and did another whole spin. See how that came
Yep.
all the way around? So then what happened is, as I'm doing a full spin every time, I'm getting more of a definite curl.
Okay.
Now when you did it, which was great, you did a half spin. So I'm going to show the
Okay.
difference just so you'll know you can do it either way.
Yeah.
So when you went in, let's say this was in the back, you only came halfway.
Okay.
You didn't come all the way around.
Yep.
And then when you came down, you just half.
Yeah.
And then you came down, you did half.
Okay. Yep.
So just a half
Yeah.
a spin. And then what you got was a really great
Yeah.
wave. But like this is
Could
springy
do-
curl, this is beautiful wave. Both
do
of them are
both.
awesome.
Yeah.
All right, what do you think?
It looks so cute.
Good job.
I know.
Yeah,
I
we
did
have to
it.
give a full view. They need
Okay,
to see.
okay.
Look at the side, looks so good. I love the waves.
I
how
love
you
like
did
the
it.
beachy wave.
Right? And it was so fast.
So fast.
It's adorable, nice soft waves. Makes your hair look so thick, do you know?
Yeah. It looks a lot fuller.
So what did you think about using the small one?
It was so easy.
Yeah, right?
I mean, like, took no time. It was so easy. It's so shiny.